Have you ever wondered what makes Cardano stand out in the world of cryptocurrencies? This is the question that draws us into the fascinating realm of Cardano. As a third-generation cryptocurrency, Cardano is designed to transcend the limitations of its predecessors, the first-generation Bitcoin and the second-generation Ethereum. It achieves this through a unique two-layer architecture. The Cardano Settlement Layer, or CSL, handles cryptocurrency transactions, while the Cardano Computation Layer, or CCL, is responsible for smart contracts. This separation allows for greater flexibility and security. Now, who's behind this ingenious innovation? None other than Ethereum co-founder Charles Hoskinson, backed by a formidable team of engineers and academics. But Cardano is not just another name in the vast digital currency space. It's a technological platform with a purpose: to run financial applications used every day by individuals, organizations, and governments all around the world. So, what makes Cardano unique in the crowded crypto? Cardano distinguishes itself with its unique Proof of Stake consensus algorithm, Ouroboros, a more sustainable alternative to Bitcoin's energy-consuming proof-of-work algorithm. But there's more. Cardano is the pioneer in evolving from a scientific philosophy in the blockchain platform, a novel approach that sets it apart. The team behind Cardano is not merely coding. They are contributing academic papers, fostering peer review, and constructing a foundation based on meticulous scientific research. This commitment to comprehensive research and development, accentuated by an emphasis on security, scalability, and sustainability, differentiates Cardano in the cutthroat world of cryptocurrencies. Built with a science-first approach and focused on security, scalability, and sustainability, Cardano is poised to make a big impact in the crypto world. So, what does the future hold for Cardano? As we look ahead, it's clear that Cardano is setting the stage for a new decentralized economy, with a primary focus on democratizing finance in emerging markets. This bold vision is backed by a robust and evolving roadmap. A recent milestone that has sparked excitement in the crypto community is the introduction of smart contracts. This development has expanded Cardano's capabilities, enabling it to host and execute a wide range of decentralized applications, or DApps. But the team behind Cardano isn't resting on its laurels. Another key focus is interoperability, a crucial element in the future of blockchain technology. Cardano aims to seamlessly connect with other blockchains, facilitating smoother transactions and expanding its reach. The future of Cardano, much like the world of cryptocurrencies, is ever-evolving and full of potential. As Cardano continues to innovate and evolve, it certainly seems to be a smart contract platform to watch in the ever-changing world of cryptocurrencies.